Hello everybody, today we are going to see about Erba Mannheim XLsystem pack Magnesium reagent kit. Yeah, you can see this is the top view of the reagent kit pack. You can see the brand name Erba Mannheim XLsystem pack. I am just going to show you the side views. This is the side view. Here also you can find the brand name Erba Mannheim XLsystem pack. Over here you can find the brand name Erba Mannheim and product name Magnesium 88 and reference number is XSYS0040 and the principle behind this reagent kit is that this magnesium react with zidide group to form a colored compound. That intensity of the colored compound is proportional to magnesium concentration in the blood, serum or plasma. Based on this concentration, you will determine the magnesium level in the sample. This is the principle behind this reagent kit. You can see that this is a C certified IVD product. Over here you can find the product content present inside the kit. This consists of magnesium of pack size 2 into 44 ml, and you can find the product code is 120624, and over here you can find the manufacturing details and other stuffs. This is the overall detail present in this side. This is the complete content of Erba Mannheim Magnesium reagent kit. This is used to determine the magnesium level in sample. Thank you.